thanks for helping me tidy the dress-up closet, Paloma. Of course, what are friends for? And I love seeing all these outfits and costumes again. So many fun adventures. I know these are so great. But wait, what are these? Wow, are those wings? They're so beautiful. What are they doing in there? Great question. I've never seen them before. They were right at the back of the closet. I would definitely remember such beautiful wings if I had seen them before. Let's try them on. Oh no, they don't fit at all. Yeah, I don't think they were meant for us. I think they're meant for a pony, but where did they come from? Do you think they're a gift from the fairies? Do you think they're magic? Only one way to find out. Who wants to try on these wings and see if they can actually fly? Looks like Raina's willing to try. She loves trying on something new and pretty. All right, Raina, let's give them a try. She looks fabulous, but I don't think she's trying to fly. Raina, we all think you look fabulous, but you're supposed to be trying to fly. Jump, Raina! You've got to jump in the air so the wings can lift you up. They work! That's amazing! Raina can fly! Thank you, fairies. Spark's turn. It's okay, Spark. Tell you what, I'll put on my butterfly wings too, and I'll come with you. Great, now we're ready to go. That's it, Spark. Now just a little faster. Jump, Spark. You've got to jump in the air so the wings can lift you up. Yay, Spark! You're flying! That was so much fun. Wait till we tell Casey.